In this video, we are going to cover maximum sprinkler spacing and maximum area covered by each sprinklers. We will also learn how to distribute sprinklers in a room. Before we move to next rule, let us first understand the sprinkler system basic components. So first we have sprinkler heads which discharge water to floor area in the case of fire. Then we have branch lines. These are called branch lines. So the branch lines are the pipes supplying water to sprinklers either directly or through drops or return bed. This is called return bed, or arm overs. This is called arm over. This is called riser nipple. And then we have cross mains. See, cross mains connected to the branch lines. So the cross mains are pipe supplying water to branch lines. Okay, and then we have feed main. So the feed mains are pipe supplying water to cross main. See, the feed main is connected to cross main. See here, the feed main pipe is pink color is connected to cross main, the orange color pipe. And then we have one riser pipe, a vertical pipe supplying to the cross main. See, it is supplying water to cross main. So basically you can see here we have two zones. This is zone 1 and this is zone 2. Then we have one more component that is called zone control wall assembly. See this system. This one basically is a butterfly wall or a gate wall having supervised device connected to fire alarm panel. This one is a water flow detector which detects flow of water in case of fire and sends signal to alarm device to sound an alarm that fire has happened. See, so each zone we need one floor control station. If we have like multiple floors, like first floor, second floor, third floor, then in each floor we need this control station. There they are called floor control station. And suppose in the basement or like a big area, so there we call zone control station because there we have zone 1, zone 2, zone 3. But on the floors, the same thing is called floor control stations. Now, see in the vertical pipe, we have two components. That is, first is water flow alarm device. So this is an attachment to the sprinkler system that detects a predetermined water flow and is connected to a fire alarm system to initiate alarm conditions or used mechanically or electrically initiate a fire pump or local audible or visual alarm. See this device. And then we have one flow switch which detects the flow of water. And then we have one control wall. So basically this is a maintenance wall in case you want to repair something. This sprinkler system, we can close this wall and then repair this system. Why this wall is supervisory device? Because someone should not close the wall. If the wall is closed, then it will send signal to the main fire alarm that the system there is no flow of water. Understand? Okay. So if you have any doubt, please put in comment section. I will again explain. This is a typical riser system installation showing gate wall, alarm check wall, flow switch, the bell. This is a standard zone control wall assembly having butterfly wall, flow switch and test and drain wall. Now we'll be discussing the distribution of sprinklers as per NFPA 13, one of the most critical aspects of fire sprinkler design. First, let us talk about sprinkler spacing. According to NFPA 13, the maximum allowable spacing between sprinkler depends on several factors, including the type of hazard classification and the type of sprinklers being used. For example, in light hazard occupancy and the ordinary hazard occupancy, the maximum spacing between sprinkler can go up to 15 feet or 4.6 meter, while for extra hazard occupancies, it can extend up to 12 feet or 3.7 meter. NFPA 13 also defines the maximum coverage area for each sprinkler. This is typically based on the type of sprinkler heads and the hazard classification of the area. For example, a standard coverage sprinkler in the light hazard area might cover a maximum area of 2 to 5 square feet, while in an ordinary hazard, it might cover up to 130 square feet. And for extra hazard, maximum sprinkler coverage is 100 square feet. Please note that according to an FPA 13, the coverage area shall be calculated by multiplying the dimension L with S. So area is equal to S into L. So which will give you the total protection area. So for example, let's say in the ordinary hazard, we multiply 4 into 3 equal to 12 meters square, which is the protection area here. For extra hazard, so 3 into 3 is 9 meters square. See, for all the standard projects, you can use the spacing 4 by 3 meter. That means branch to branch 4 meter and sprinkler to sprinkler 3 meter. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12 meter square. And for extra hazard, you can use 3 meter, branch to branch 3 meter and sprinkler to sprinkler also 3 meter actually. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9 meter square. Suppose in any case you want to change the dimension, let's say from this 3 to 3.1, so you have to reduce this 4 accordingly to make it 12 meters square. But please keep in mind that all Gulf countries or anywhere, we basically use the standard dimension branch to branch 4 meter and sprinkler to sprinkler 3 meter. This is example of sprinkler distribution in the basement area. See, you can see here the branch to branch is 4 meter and sprinkler is 3 meter. In this video, I have covered sprinkler maximum spacing and the maximum area covered by each sprinkler. In the next videos, we will cover topics like maximum area that can be covered by one system riser and the required distance between sprinklers and walls and how sprinklers are distributed in a given room or a given area.